Hi! In this video, I will show you how to connect Gravity Forms to email Octopus using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to add a contact in email Octopus using Gravity Forms. I will use Gravity Forms as a trigger node to send a message to add a contact in email Octopus. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Gravity Forms as a trigger. Next, let's add Gravity Forms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Gravity Forms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now, I will submit a test response from Gravity Forms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Gravity Forms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Email Octopus as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select Email Octopus, Add Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select an Email Octopus connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with Email Octopus. To get your API key, visit the Email Octopus API Keys page. Now click on the Add a Key button and complete the API key creation process. Once your API key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now, return to the BitFlows builder and paste the API key into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your Email Octopus node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, select a list from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your Email Octopus account. Now, I will map the fields from the Gravity Forms response to the Email Octopus fields. You can also add tags from the drop-down options. Additionally, you can specify the subscription type from the drop-down menu. You also have the option to override the existing contact information with responses, if needed. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Gravity Forms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in Email Octopus. Step 5. Verify the contact in Email Octopus. Finally, go to your Email Octopus dashboard and click on Lists. Then select BitFlows. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully added in your Email Octopus account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.